Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do another funnel pour on a round canvas on a spinner because I just love these paintings. I love the way they look at the end. They are so pretty, and this technique is not difficult to do. Once you get a hang of the technique, it's very simple and you get beautiful paintings out of them. So I urge you to give it a go. They're really cool. This is the dried result of the last painting we did, and I think it turned out really pretty. So yeah, happy with that. Some nice colors in there. So there we go. Come along everyone, join me and let's create a really cool funnel pour today. Come along. Right everyone, here we go. I'm just putting my gloves on. So I have my round canvas on a spinner. I've got my funnel. I've got a dark purple, neon yellow, a light green and some neon pink. I've got my Amsterdam oxide black, and I've got my Decart satin enamels, and then I've just got a white, plain white paint, just watered down, which we're going to put down a base. So let's just move everything out the way so we can put the base down. Right, can you see it? Yeah, you can. Just move you up a tad. Okay. Right, this is just a base, so we don't need anything fancy. It's just to cover the canvas. It's been nice and hot and sunny for the last couple of days, which is lovely. As you know, Ireland gets a lot of rain, so it's always nice when you do get a couple of days of sun, but it does look cloudy again, so I think the rains will return soon. But anyway, it was nice to have some sun. Right, I'm just going to spin this out. Just to cover the canvas. Right, get some to wash my hands. There are some bubbles in this white, so I'm just going to pop them quick. Even if you have bubbles in the base, you could actually see them afterwards in your painting when your painting dries. So it is always best just to pop them. So I'm just opening up my paints and putting them, oh my goodness, this one just messed all over the place when I popped the lid off. Let's give that a wipe. Right, remember, oh, two of them messed. What on earth is going on? Okay. I don't know. Remember, put your paints where you can reach them, because when you're doing a funnel pour, your one hand is holding the funnel, so you don't have two hands available. You only have one hand available while the other one is holding the funnel. So open up your paints, put them where you can reach them. With your free hand. Okay, I haven't even started the painting and I'm covered in paint. What is going on today? Okay, I'm going to bring you like that so you can see the top of my funnel. I think you can. I'll bring you like that. Okay. Put your funnel down in the middle of your canvas. Into there, we're going to pour the oxide black. Into there, I'm going to put a color, just a little. On top of that, I'm going to put a color, just a little. Into that, I'm going to pour the satin enamels in from a height. Then I'm going to put another color, and another color, and some more satin enamels in from a height. Right, and then I'm going to do the colors one more time. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit of black in. Oops. Okay. Right, some more color. 1. 2. Some satin enamels. 3. And 4. And some more of the black, also in from a height, like that. Right, now I'm going to bring you down, like that. Okay, now we're going to lift and drop. Remember, don't lift too high up. We want the paint to drag out the bottom of the funnel. So we're just slowly releasing the paint, that's all we're doing. Okay. Where's all my color gone? Okay, I'm just going to wipe my hands off, and I'm going to hit this with a heat gun quick. Right, let's give this a couple minutes to develop and then we'll come back. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes, so I don't think anything else is going to happen. So let's spin this out and see what we land up with. Well, it is interesting and it is different. I don't know mean, I like the yellow and I like those cells because there's a lot of color in there. But here, this whole piece over here is there's not much color in there. So I wonder if I should tilt this off center. Let me tilt it this way and see. Let me spin it again. Okay, that is, yeah, you know what? I actually like that. I actually like that. I'm not going to do anything more to it. I love the color in here. The middle, well, just off middle, that's very colorful. There's some really pretty colors in there. Yeah, I do like that. All right, so I'm going to take my gloves off and quickly hit this with a heat gun. Okay, and that has brought up little tiny, very brightly colored cells. That's also very pretty. I wonder if I should just give it one last spin. Yeah, just a little spin. Hold on. It's also brought up some white with the satin enamel, some really white little, they look like pearls, and some really bright colors over there. Oh no, I do like this. Hold on. I'm going to just wipe my hands off, and I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Just move that out of the way. Right, hold on, I'm going to bring you down. So there it is. It's very different, isn't it? Now, look at the coloring. Some really bright colors in there. These are really pretty. And then look at the white pearls. They're really, really cool. Look there. Also some pretty coloring in those. But this, it looks like a galaxy. Those look like stars, planets in the distant galaxy. Some pretty colors in there. Lovely lacing. Pretty colors in there too. Look at that. No, I like this. I really do. It is very different, very unique. I love that. Absolutely love that. So there we go. I'm very happy with that. Yeah, I'd like to see what it looks like dry. Really, really pretty. These pearls are lovely. Look at that. So there we go, everyone. Another video, another successful video. That's what we like to see. If you enjoyed this video, please, please, please share with your friends and family. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. You know, all of that, all of it. Say hi, you know, because I'm putting these videos out, and when you don't talk to me, you know, I feel very unloved. So there we go, everyone. Thank you for joining me. I will be back tomorrow morning for another painting. So stick around for that. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.